Welcome to Citymapper, your transit companion.
Citymapper is an app designed to simplify public transportation in cities around the world. Whether you're navigating subways, buses, trains, or ferries, Citymapper helps plan journeys efficiently. This guide will introduce you to the app's key features so you can travel with confidence even in new or unfamiliar cities.
Getting started, installing Citymapper.
Begin by downloading Citymapper from your device's app store. Once installed, allow necessary permissions for location access. Select your city from the list of supported locations. Citymapper covers major metro areas worldwide, making it a trusted tool for both locals and travelers.
Planning your first trip.
To plan a journey, enter your start and end points in the search bar. Citymapper quickly finds the best routes using real-time public transit data. Routes are tailored for speed, convenience, or fewer transfers. And the app displays options including walking, cycling, and rideshares, ensuring you see all available choices.
Real-time updates and notifications.
Yes, Citymapper provides up-to-the-minute information on delays, service changes, and arrival times. Enable notifications to receive alerts about your saved routes. Live tracking ensures you can monitor progress and adjust plans as needed, making your commute or city exploration run smoothly.
Advanced features and personalization.
Make the most of Citymapper by saving your favorite locations, checking cost estimates, or even using the step-by-step Go mode for live directions. Explore added features like accessibility options, offline maps in select cities, and integration with bike and scooter sharing services for a truly connected urban transit experience.
Explore cities with confidence using Citymapper.
Citymapper transforms the challenge of navigating complex transit systems into a simple, stress-free experience. With just a few taps, you'll unlock smarter travel and get where you need to go. Anywhere Citymapper is available.